In manufacturing and distribution, strong performance doesn't just happen. It comes when businesses make the right improvements in the right places. So, how do leaders decide where to focus their efforts? The answer lies in separating outcomes from activities, aligning business performance improvement goals with process improvement plans to maximize results. Business performance improvement looks at the big picture and focuses on the outcomes that matter most: profitability, on-time delivery, inventory levels, productivity, and customer service. It helps answer a simple question: where are we underperforming and what's really driving it? Once that's clear, business process improvement gets practical. It focuses on improving the day-to-day processes behind the numbers, improving planning, production, fulfillment, and inventory, so performance improves where it matters. The difference is straightforward. Performance improvement sets the direction by focusing on the results you want. Process improvement delivers by improving how the work gets done. When they're aligned, results show up quarter after quarter. Ultra Consultants helps manufacturers and distributors bring business performance improvement and process improvement together, connecting strategy to execution and getting more value from your people, processes, and technology. Learn more at ultraconsultants.com.